Look at that sunset. It's the perfect start to our vacation.
I know. I can't wait to get going.
Everyone! Big news!
What is it?
My friend from Brazil invited us to visit. During Carnival!
Carnival? The big party with dancing and music?
Yes. Dancing in the streets. Colorful costumes. Drums everywhere.
I love dancing. I want to go.
Noah? Are you excited?
I am not good at dancing. But dancing is fun. Dancing in front of people. It makes me feel shy.
Noah, can I tell you a secret?
What secret?
I was shy too when I was your age.
But you are so silly and loud.
Now I am. But before, I was scared to try new things. I learned that feeling scared is okay. Trying anyway is brave.
You don't have to dance, Noah. But maybe just watch? See how it feels?
Okay. I will try. Just watching first. Don't worry. I will dance enough for both of us. Thanks, Lily. We are flying over the ocean.
Brazil is in South America. It is the biggest country there.
Brazil has rainforests, beaches, and the biggest party in the world.
There are so many people dancing.
Just watch first. No pressure.
It is so warm here.
Brazil is close to the equator. It is warm all year.
I hear drums. Music is everywhere. I want to dance already.
We are going to the top of the mountain.
I cannot see anything. Just white.
There he is!
Wow, he's enormous. It's amazing. It is so tall. And his arms are so wide.
This is Christ the Redeemer. It is 30 meters tall.
Look, I am doing the same pose.
The open arms mean welcome. Brazil welcomes everyone.
Whew. Welcome. That is nice. I can see the whole city. And the ocean.
That is Copacabana Beach. Very famous.
And that mountain looks like a loaf of bread.
That is Sugarloaf Mountain. Good observation, Jack.
The wind is strong up here. My hair is dancing. Everything dances in Brazil. Look at the ocean. It sparkles.
It's incredible.
I'm so glad we came here.
The whole city looks like a toy set from up here.
Trees. So many trees. I cannot see the ground.
This is the Amazon rainforest, the biggest rainforest in the world.
How big is it?
It is bigger than many countries. Millions of animals live here.
The water is brown, like chocolate.
The water carries soil from the forest. That makes it brown.
It is so loud here. So many sounds.
How do you feel, Noah?
I feel curious and a little nervous.
Curious is good. Nervous is okay too.
Look! In the tree. What is that? A parrot. Red and blue and yellow.
Parrots are very colorful. They can copy sounds.
Hello!
Something is moving up there. A monkey. He is so fast.
Monkeys are quick. They swing from tree to tree.
The monkey thinks Daddy is silly. Dad, you don't sound like a monkey.
Look in the water. Slowly, quietly.
A dolphin. A pink dolphin.
Pink river dolphins only live here. Very special.
It looks happy. Swimming and playing.
How do you feel now, Noah?
I feel happy. Animals are amazing. Today is the day! Carnival!
I can hear the music. My feet wanna move.
I have costumes for everyone. Feathers and sparkles.
I want the pink one. So pretty. Do I have to wear this?
You don't have to, but you might feel more part of the celebration.
Okay. I will try.
That is brave, Noah.
There are so many people and colors.
Can you feel the drums in your chest?
I feel it. Boom, boom, boom.
My body wants to move!
They move so fast. So beautiful.
This dance is called samba. It comes from Brazil. Say it with me. Samba.
Samba. Samba.
Just move your feet. Left, right, left, right.
Left, left, right. I did it?
You did it, Noah. You are dancing.
Noah is dancing.
Feel the drums. Boom, boom, boom.
I feel it. My feet know what to do.
Looking good, Noah.
Dad, you dance like a penguin.
Penguins are great dancers.
Look at him! He is doing it!
I am dancing! I am really dancing! This feels, whoa, boy, amazing! Me? Up there?
You can do it! We are right here!
Remember what I said? Feeling scared is okay. Trying is brave.
Okay, I will try. Go, Noah!
That is my boy.
I am so proud of you.
I did it! I really did it!
You were amazing up there.
My brother is a samba star! I was so scared. But then, the music. It just took over.
How do you feel now?
I feel proud. And excited. And happy.
Those are beautiful feelings.
Family dance party!
Today was the best day ever.
What did we learn in Brazil?
Dolphins are pink.
The rainforest is very loud.
And what did you learn, Noah?
I learned that being shy is okay, but trying new things is better.
That is a very important lesson.
I was scared to dance, but when I tried, I loved it.
You were the bravest one today.
Can we dance one more time? On the beach? Yes, let's dance.
Let's remember what we learned in Brazil. Parrot, a colorful bird.
Monkey.
Quick and playful. Toucan, big beak, loves fruit. Dolphin, pink river dolphin.
Samba, Brazilian dance.
Happy, feeling good inside.
Excited. Feeling full of energy.
Proud, feeling good about yourself.
Do you like dancing? Tell us in the comments. What makes you feel shy? What makes you feel brave?
Subscribe to dance with us again.
Click the bell and keep dancing. Ciao!
That means goodbye in Portuguese.